Hey, my name is Ksenia. I live in Finland. Quite normal, usual life. I go to work, go to gym after work, go to bar sometimes, have some drink there, go to summer cottage sometimes, drive a mountain bike sometimes. Yeah, and I drive a motorcycle. And you know how it happens sometimes that you wake up in the morning and just with no reason, almost no reason, you decided, should I film how I drive my motorcycle? Because it's so unique and unusual that somebody's driving a motorcycle. Yeah. And honestly, I was inspired by one super awesome woman. Her YouTube channel, I think, is like Lenore Moto or something like that. Yeah. And I was watching her video and I like, she drives a motorcycle. First of all, she's cool. She's cool. Second, she drives a motorcycle, like me. She has some food when she's driving motorcycle, like me. She's watching some I don't know, nice view, some nice places, like me. Yeah, and maybe I will film how I drive motorcycle and what I do when I drive motorcycle, what I see when I drive motorcycle. Because I'm quite new in this motorcycle business. It is just my second season, okay, 1.5 season, because I just last year got my driving license for motorcycle. And yeah, and I drive just here for now, just in Finland. And I see a lot of very nice, very beautiful, absolutely incredible places and incredible views. It's a lot of them. And Finland, very nice and cool country for driving motorcycle. So yeah, sometimes it's nice to share your feelings, your point of view, how you see things, Yeah, and I decided, why not to share my driving, through this YouTube or Instagram videos. Actually, honestly, I haven't decided yet where I'm going to post it. But anyway, I have a plan. I have a plan for my first trip, very first trip, when I film it. Yeah, usually I drive with my husband, but because I'm going to film my trip, so I'm going to go alone. They're going to say that it's like a very big trip. It's just like 40 maybe minutes of driving from my place where I live here. And yeah, I have a plan. Tomorrow, if weather is going to be nice, at least not raining, not snowing, because like yesterday we were driving and it was getting a little bit snowing, because today is 8 May of 2025. Yeah, and yeah, it is about +7, +9 degrees right now, and now it's quite sunny. But let's see tomorrow. You never know in Finland. Yeah, I'm gonna wake up tomorrow to have some breakfast, coffee, collect my shit together, and just go. I'm gonna go to this place, like I said, 40 minutes driving from my home, and there is fireplace and quite nice view. I'm gonna have a sausage there and coffee and have some fun, like nice view and maybe a little walk or something. Yeah, I'm gonna film it, and I'm gonna after that go maybe for some small detour and come back home and try, on all this trip, I will try my best, just not die, because, filming and driving, it can be quite difficult. But I don't know. Let's see. So I have a plan. I will try to follow it. So yeah, it looks like quite good weather. And it is +7 or +9 outside there. And I think it's going to be nice all day, but I hope my trip is not going to take all day, because it's just 40 minutes driving from my home. Yeah, and I already yesterday prepared the wood. Yeah, it was in video. Also, I prepared already sausages and some salad. Now I will make a coffee takeaway, and yeah, and I'm going.
So yeah, I arrived. There is maybe just three car here, so you can see weather quite nice. So I think even later, because today is Friday, it's going to be much more people. So I think I choose a quite nice timing. Yeah, actually, road was a little bit weird. I mean, it was okay road, but there is because it was raining. It was like couple days, and it was raining, and there is like a little bit mud, and I was scared to fail because last when I just started this season, first what I did before I even tried to move somewhere to drive somewhere, I fell in mud because it was I just so, but anyway, I fell there, so now I have, this trauma, and I feel that I can fall everywhere where I'm like even a little bit mad. But yeah, it was nice ride, and now I'm going to find a place to make a sausages because it is already even lunchtime.
Yeah, this is life. So there is like I'm absolutely lucky today because perfect weather. It's sunny. I think on when it's sunny, it's just like maybe even 15 degrees or something. There is absolutely empty place. I think people who arrived earlier here, so they just went for a walk or some hiking or something like that. I don't know, but there is nobody. And it's quite nice equipped place because there is a couple fireplace and also like one fireplace inside this like wooden small house. I don't know what is name of it. Yeah, and here is like on the corner where it's like so far from other places. I found this perfect place made just by stones. So yeah, and here is super quiet. I don't know, can you hear it or no? Yeah, it's like just perfect. I don't know how I could be so lucky. Yeah. Now I'm going to make a sausages. I'm going to first make a fire, make a sausages, eat, and after that I will go to have a coffee. This is food of from heaven. Absolutely. Let's try. But first, of course, sinappi. Sinappi is mustard on Finnish. I like the sinappi word. It's quite fun. Yeah, and actually, show you. This is absolutely tasty looking sausage. Mm. Here's already a little bit even hot. I think because in a sunny place, and of course because here's fire, but it's always gone already. Yeah, like I said, it was food from heaven. Now I'm gonna have a coffee from heaven. Not almost from heaven, from my kitchen. Yeah, still the same. It is interesting how everything is changing in life because I was pretty sure until my 30 that I'm absolutely city person, like absolutely city person. But after how many years? 3, soon it's gonna be 4 years of living in Finland. I realized that it's not true. That I'm actually maybe even less city person than forest person. Forest nature person. Yeah, of course, I still like when it's like comfortable. You have a toilet, shower, or something like that. But I can see the tolerance to no toilet, no shower, just wild nature, wild camping. It's raising. It's raising. So, like 10 years ago, there is if somebody will say like, "Oh, let's go to camping. There's no toilet, no shower, no anything, like no any civilization." I would say like, "Are you kidding me? No way. I'm not gonna go there." But now, interesting. I want to go. Yeah, it would be nice if there will be shower and toilet, but I think I can manage. I think I can manage. And coffee is great. I think like coffee and longero. Longero, it is like long drink in Finland, like special long drink. They're always better. They're always better when you are in nature, when you're outside the summer cottage, you make a fire. They're always better. Yeah, it's actually bumblebee. Yes, every time makes so scary sounds, but they're actually harmless. Yeah. Do you know what? It's too small cup for me. I'm gonna drink. I'm gonna drink from here, like a big girls. Yeah. Just put here something. Yeah. After sausage, I open. Couple buttons here, buttons. So fire is almost gone. I think it's even gone completely. I'm still drinking my coffee. And a little bit dreaming about some cigarette. It would be perfect here. But no, I didn't have it with me. Yeah. What now? Now I am, because I didn't plan any other way back to home, because I wasn't expected that it's gonna be so nice weather. What I'm going to do now, that I will try to find some little bit longer road to home. Maybe hour and a half of driving, and yeah, and try to enjoy riding, because actually from now I checked the forecast, it's gonna be like much more warmer, and it's gonna be more summery. Yeah, finally. So yeah, it's time to enjoy.
So I checked where I can go, and I think I can go like 1 hour driving, 1.5, in a little bit different direction from my home, and there I will make like some round and come back home. Yeah, there is not so many options how to get out from here, because I surrounded by by lakes everywhere. Yeah, there is like couple roads, but I think I found a couple good ones. Yeah, I'm going now. I'm not sure I'm gonna film or no when I'm driving, because I realize that with my phone, with my holder for phone, there is not really good way to film something. But anyway, maybe I will try something. Let's go. So, I'm driving now, I think already like 30 minutes, and there is like start to rain a little bit. Yeah, looks like, I don't know, I was so lucky that it just, this spot where I was having sausages, it was like super perfect weather, because I just left this place, and there is a little rainy but still nice. Yeah, and smells here, because I'm driving like, surrounded by forest. It smells like summer forest and a little bit mushrooms. I actually am a fan of collecting mushrooms. So yeah, I like it. and here smell of mushrooms, and I'm wanna just smell it, sniff it. Yeah, quite nice, quite nice. But now I'm already on the way to home. I think like in 20 minutes I will arrive to home. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. I will continue.
So I came home and I'm super happy because I like it. I like my trip. I like to feel my trip. So I think it's definitely what I'm gonna continue to do. So thank you very much that you spend your time for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. And yeah, see you in the next episode.